You know, there's a saying that says something along the lines of, you know you're an adult when you get excited about buying a fridge. I think that's how it goes. Well, that's what this video is about. Except it's not about a fridge, it's about a mattress. And that's what's all here behind me. So I have a bunch of boxes and I get to build, no, who are we kidding? I'm not building. Ralph gets to build a box spring. We get to see a mattress grow from being inside a box and expand. It's kind of like those little things we had when we were kids and you put them in water and they get big. Something like that. I'm assuming that's what it's like, but I had to do a lot of research to pick this particular mattress. So I thought, why not do a review? This is not sponsored, gosh, I'm not sponsored by anyone, I only wish. But I just wanted to give an honest review of what it's like to get a mattress, box spring, and everything else that comes with it, what it's like to get that and then put it together. I'm Anna and I'm gonna make Ralph build me a bed. I read different reviews and reports on what the best mattress that I could get in Canada would be. Now, living in Canada, you don't have access to as much variety as what's available in the States, so I had to really narrow it down to what I can actually get my hands on. It's great if there's something really good out there, but it's useless to me if I can't use it. So, when I did my research, 2 mattresses came up as being repeatedly over and over. There's the 2 top ones. One was the Douglas and one was by Logan & Cove. And we went and did we got everything you could possibly get with it. We did that when we bought our current bedroom set, we got everything. And so we thought, you know what, let's just do it all over again and we'll just completely refresh our sleeping situation. And the reason we're doing this is because our bed is just a little over 10 years old and it's starting to dip down in the middle because we both sleep in the middle. Well, so it's like having one large object in the middle of the bed, so that's how it rolls. So now when we sleep, we kind of both roll in. So we have a bunch of boxes and I just want to go through and show you what all those boxes are, and then we're gonna open them. It's like extra Christmas or something. That's my birthday twice. I don't know, but it's exciting. So this large box is the box spring. So what goes underneath the mattress. We do have one, but it's ultra low profile. And if we didn't get one that was bigger, it would have been at least 6 inches shorter than what it is. So we got a new box spring that goes specifically with this mattress. We also got queen sheets, a mattress protector, and 2 microfiber pillows. And this right here is the actual mattress. I know it's kind of short, eh? But this is it. I'm really interested in seeing what the pillows are like. I know the mattress is really important, but pillows, I mean, I want it to be cozy and nice. And this box has some good weight to it. So let's open it up and see what they look like. Just careful not to rip through the pillow. It's oh my goodness, it's super squished in here. Ah. Oh my gosh, look at that. It reminds me of a diaper. I'm talking like a baby diaper. Okay, let's add some air to this and see what happens. Can you hear that? It's like a balloon hissing. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. It feels nice. So the pillow is heavy. It's actually pretty heavy. And one thing that I find, it's really similar to the pillows we have now, except they're heavy. It's heavier. It feels good and it's really squidgy. Oh, I do like them. Like if I saw this in a store, I'd be kind of interested in buying it. I like it. Well, there's a zipper. There's a pillow in the middle, and then there's an outer lining there. So you can see the inside pillow. Let's pull it out. Ooh. And then, that makes sense. So it's like 3 pillows in one. Oh, this pillow is supposed to be machine washable, which is really important to me. My other ones were, and I loved it. I do wash my pillows often. This is fun. Okay, so I like the pillows. They fluff up really quick. It goes from baby diaper to fluffy pillow like really fast. Oh, I just want to cozy up on them. Oh. Okay, so far I like them. So these are the sheets. Let's see. Well, they are white, which is good. I do love white sheets. Let's see. Oh, they are satiny. They are very smooth. But it's like, it's not like a cold, I thought there would be sateen like this is like a brush sateen. It actually feels really nice. I don't know how to show that on camera, but it does feel quite nice. Okay, so these are good. I don't know, what does it say? Super soft and cool. They're cotton. I can't read this, gosh. Tear and fade and whatever resistant, and the machine and dry safe. Well, that's good. And this is the mattress protector. It's also machine washable, which is nice because I like to wash that too. It's in a little cute case. It's actually really soft. It's just like a soft quilted, kind of squishy material. I'm not gonna take it out all the way because we haven't put the bed together yet and I'm just gonna clutter up the room, but it does feel soft. So those are the little boxes all opened up, and now I just have the box spring, which has to be put together quite clearly, and then the mattress, which the mattress will do last, because once that thing opens up, I'm sure it's gonna take up a lot of room. So what I thought would be really good is to figure out how long it takes a person to put together the box spring, because there's pieces of wood and you have to put it all together. So I was going to put it on time lapse and time Ralph putting it together. Of course I'm gonna help him. I'm just pretty certain there's gonna be like, you need an impact driver or something like that, would be useless for me to even attempt. But I will help out and we'll put on time lapse and we'll time ourselves and let you know how long it takes to put together one of these box springs. Box spring's done, and now the part we've really been waiting for. Getting a queen size mattress out of this box. It's shorter than me. It's like, I don't know, chest height. And there's a queen size mattress in here. Rob couldn't resist. He actually opened the box already. He had to see if the mattress could be in here. I'm like, well, they're not gonna ship us something else, but yeah, it's actually like so, like there is not even like a sliver of air in here. It is so suctioned in. That's like rock hard. Softer than I expected.
Yeah.
I can't tell that he's moving. Yeah. You're gonna lay on my side. Oh, lay on your side. So good. Oh my gosh. It supports you. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is better than I expected. Seriously, I thought I wouldn't like the fact that it's like a memory foam, but as a side sleeper, well, that felt good. I'm gonna be taking, oh my gosh, seriously. C'est bon. I actually, honestly, I'm impressed. We'll have to dress the bed, sleep on it a few times, try it on new pillows, and then we'll tell you what we really think after some big sleeps. I was so excited about how comfortable the bed is that I forgot to put the mattress protector on. Have to do that. So let's try this out, see what it's like. It has like really thick elastic. So that's good. I like the thick elastic. So let's put this on. And the actual material's really thick too. So the mattress cover, the actual material is really thick, which is nice, thicker than what I've seen. It's not the thickest I've seen, but it is quite thick. And then the material here on the sides is really deep. Like it could fit an even thicker mattress than this. And like I said, the elastic band was really thick, which is nice. So it's really cozy. Like I want to take a nap, and I'm not a nap kind of person, but I just kind of want to curl up in bed. Okay, let's dress the bed. It's actually been over a month now that we've had the mattress. Yeah, like over a month. And I've written down some notes to share with you about our thoughts. First, I want to talk about the process of unpackaging and putting it together. So it did take Ralph, and with a tiny little bit of my help, to put the box spring together in under 30 minutes. I did help out in the end, like I did like the middle row of all the screws, and honestly, it was really easy. And I'm honestly sure I could have done the whole thing myself. If you could move everything yourself, you can this is definitely a one-person project. Like you can build the whole bed, put it together, sleep that night, and not need any assistance doing it. It's actually that simple, which I thought was kind of nice. Oh, one tip. When putting the box spring together, we started at one end and started tightening everything as we went. Don't do that. Do one end, do the other end, and then tighten those, and then you can finish up your slats. The way we did it, we ended up tightening one, like say the bottom, and when we got to the top slats didn't fit totally great, so we had to loosen them up and kind of make things fit. So I would recommend just do the top, the bottom, make sure those are all nice and secure, and then just fill in the middle. Let's talk about the pillows. Ralph loves the pillows, sleeps with it every night. I actually went back to my old pillow. I found this pillow too dense and it keeps my head up just a little too high, so my neck's not as comfortable. Now, I'm not saying my other pillow is better, it's just a little flatter. So if you have any suggestions on a in-between pillow, I'll totally take them. Leave me a comment, tell me what to get. But the pillows are huge, like they're big, and they don't fit in a standard pillowcase. Like you really have to squish it in there like sausage. So my friend Sarah gave me a great suggestion. She said, just buy king size pillowcases and then cut off the part that's too long and sew it. I mean, I hate sewing, but who cares? I'll totally do that. So that gives you the perfect fit. So I recommend that. King size pillowcases, trim them down to size, much better fit. Thanks, Sarah. Oh yeah, the sheets. I haven't tried them. They're supposed to be cooling sheets and it's winter. So I thought it'd be better tested out in the summer. I mean, I'm cold anyway, we're in Canada. So I'm gonna try my cooling sheets in the summer, not now. Now I'm just using my whatever sheets and they're just fine. And now onto the mattress. If Ralph was giving this review, he would just say, it's absolutely perfect, 10 out of 10, loves it, would buy again, go out and buy it. Done. I'm gonna go into a little more detail. No, he really actually does love the mattress that much. The mattress. It's the most comfortable thing I've ever slept on. Hands down, for sure. We kept saying, like the way we would describe it is, it's firm but soft. That's what we just kept saying, it's firm but soft, but we didn't know how to explain that, so I'm gonna try. The bed is firm, it's supportive firm, but it's soft, meaning like it's not hard. You sit on it and you feel very supported, it's very firm, but it's soft. But in being soft, it's not like mushy, like it doesn't flatten out. It really supports you. I think that's the best word for this mattress, supportive. And for side sleepers, whoa, totally world changing. I've never slept on my side and felt that supported. It's like every part of your body is perfectly supported. You're not like, I don't know, it's just for side sleepers, it's amazing. Okay, so it is a memory foam bed. I don't really know all like the layers or whatever, but the top is memory foam. And I remember when memory foam first came out and it was like, I don't know, it was weird. Like it wasn't, everything was memory foam at the time. Gosh, you could probably buy pants that were memory foam. Everything was memory foam, but it wasn't super comfortable. And like you'd sit in it and you'd like watch it like slowly rise up. Like, I don't know, it was like cool just to put your hand in it. This isn't really like that. It's very different. It has a nice cooling property to it. Like the bed actually feels cool, much cooler than our older bed that was like the pillow topper, spring, traditional kind of pillow. This definitely is cooler. And the best part about it is when Ralph moves, that movement doesn't transfer over to my side. Like I can feel him moving the sheets. Yeah, I know he's moving, I can hear him, but he moves and it doesn't like, I don't know, disturb my side of my sleep world. So that is one of the, probably the coolest parts about the memory foam. Actually, the whole thing's cool, but that's just really a nice feature. One thing that I did notice though, and it's not bad, it's just something to notice. Our very first night, I could smell the packaging. I'm assuming it was the packaging or it's just something, it just had like a packaging smell. It wasn't gross, it was just, there was a smell that was foreign to my house. And that only lasted one night. So it's not a complaint, it's just something I noticed. Another thing I noticed is the edge of the bed is different than, say, our old bed or what I'd consider a traditional bed. On those beds, the edge is firm, like you sit on it and that's like you're sitting on the edge of the bed. Here it's not like that. When you sit on the edge of the bed, it's kind of like, kind of collapses. Not collapses, it's like it's gently reminding you to get out of bed. I can see how this would be really great for when I'm older or like for elderly people. Like it's just easy to get out of bed, but you just have to remember it's totally different. It feels totally different than a regular bed. Just you sit on it and just kind of gently like boots you out of bed. I mean, it doesn't boot you, it just gently nudges you to get out of bed and start your day. It's probably the part that I find the hardest thing to get used to is the edge of the bed is soft. We spent just under $1,500 for everything that we got, which I think is a really good deal because it's significantly less than we paid for just the mattress and the box spring of our 10-year-old bed. So we paid more 10 years ago. And this bed is more supportive and way more cozy. But that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment. Oh yeah, if you know of a really good pillow, please let me know. I want to look into getting a different pillow. I might end up with a pillow collection, but yes, if you know of a great pillow, leave it in the comments so I can check it out. And I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! I'm making up this intro. Ralph's gonna love it. I'm totally making all this up and my battery's really low. Have you ever heard the saying that some go, ugh, gosh. No, I don't like any of this. Nope, winging it. Ralph's over there and I'm yelling to him.